Hey guys. Wow. Didn't see you there. Well, since you're here, I figure might as well try to fix a door. Holly, come here. Come here, Hal.
Ew, Hal.
I'm trying to make a video.
For what?
Bought my door.
For the internet?
For the internet, yeah, the interweb. So, I've been trying to, how's it go? Like that. Whenever I try to open my door, it kind of didn't work, and so I pulled the door apart. Just gotta get a bolt there. It's already off, but pop the cover off there. It looks like that. Pop that bad boy out, which is right. Let me see. Looks like this. Okay. So you're gonna wanna have it unlocked, of course. Stick a screwdriver in there. Pop. Oh crap. Pop this part right here out. Never mind. I won't do that right now. Anyways, you pop that out. Pull it out. What do you think you're doing? What do you? Get out of here. Get out of here. Bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog. Anyways, pop that out. Pull it off. Now for this, you're gonna want to, let's see here. Where the heck did it go? Where's my door handle? Where's my door handle? Give it back. Are you serious right now? Dog made me lose my train of thought. Now I'm mad. Alright, here it is. So right here, there's a little thing. It's gonna be on the door, like so. Okay, so you're gonna wanna take a little screwdriver or something. Oh wow. Pop that, pull that down, okay? Catch my drift? Pull that down. Oh, let me sit up there so I can actually do this. Alright, here. I'm gonna pop that down and out. That'll pop right off. Okay, catch that? I don't know if I got that. Anyways, I'm gonna pull that off. There's a bolt here, right next to that. You gotta pop a little tiny little baby cover off. In there's a little cover. You can just pop that out with a screwdriver. Got 2 bolts under there. And pull the door off. So I figured out my problem was right. Here, let's go slow-mo. Right. Once you have the door off, go right down towards that. So there's supposed to be a little ball with the cord going to here. Whenever you pull the door handle, that moves, pulls the cord, which releases the this here. So opened it up and found that this, which is the thing that goes right in that hole, was not connected. All you gotta do is replace the cord. It's pretty easy. I just figured I'd make a little video showing you guys how to do that. So yeah, that'll be in another video though. I gotta get the cord still.